Imagine turning your favorite hobby into a business before you turn 18. Today, I'll show you how to start a small business and make real money doing what you love. First, let's find your niche. What are you good at or love doing? There's a business opportunity in almost anything. If you love video games, you could start a YouTube channel reviewing games or offer gaming lessons to kids. The possibilities are endless. Now that you know what to do, let's talk about making money. Decide how much to charge by checking what others charge for similar services. Use social media. Create an Instagram or TikTok to show off your work and promote yourself. Marketing is key, but building strong customer relationships is just as important. Treat them like VIPs. Happy customers will tell their friends, bringing you more business. Keep your customers happy and you'll make more money. Reinvest part of your earnings back into your business. Buy better equipment, advertise, or learn new skills. Be patient. Small steps add up to big success. Ready to start your business? Comment below on what you're excited to try and hit subscribe for more money-making tips. The world is yours. Go out and make it happen.